I've just quickly checked the national grid right here, right now, 27th of June. Wind is contributing 3% of the UK's power needs. 3%. And my contention is that you could ditch all of these and you could make up that 3% balance so easily with other energy that we already have. If we're already on nuclear 20%, why don't we just boost that 22? If we're on CCGT up 50%, just boost it to 55. Boost the others by just a few percent and you'll more than make up for the entirety of the UK's entire wind energy infrastructure. It's much more green to concentrate on the ones that are doing well and to boost them, not to have a whole industry and a whole infrastructure that between its entire, from Land's End to John O'Groats, is doing like 3%. I can count dozens of turbines going off into the distance. You see way down there. Together, 3%. You could get rid of the entirety and you barely even notice. You could easily make that 3% up. So when people say what we could do instead of wind, I'd say wind does nothing anyway, hardly anything. And even if sometimes it does, you know, a bit more, like on a windy day, you've got to look at the lowest level. That's real sustainability. The lowest it would be. That's all you can guarantee. You can only guarantee 3%, if that. It was 1% yesterday. That's sustainable. It can barely sustain 1% of our energy. We don't need it. We can get rid of